I'm going to go over how to do these problems. These are on page 10 of your pre-calculus summer assignment. I'm not going to do these exact problems, but I'm going to just give you a refresher on how to do these. First thing you have to do is you have to use your properties of logs to simplify. So we've got to get the left side and maybe sometimes the right side of the equation down to one log. So for example, if you have the natural log of 4x plus the natural log of 2 equals 5. The sum property tells me to bring the arguments together with multiplication. So that becomes the natural log of 8x. 4x times 2 is 8x. The natural log of 8x equals 5. Well, then I have to go into exponential form. What's the base of the natural log? The base of the natural log is e. So this is e to the 5th equals 8x. Then what do? Well, e is just a number, so I divide both sides of this by 8. E to the 5th divided by 8 is equal to x. And then I can use my calculator to get an approximate answer for this if I need to. Now, if you go do a problem like number 48, you have, let's see, log of, I'm just going to make up something similar, 2x plus 1 minus the log of x plus 2 equals 1. Well, subtraction means we need to write the arguments as a quotient. So this is going to be the log of 2x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 equals 1. So now we're down to one log just like before. So I need to write this in exponential form. When you have a log without a base here, it's base 10. So this becomes 10 to the first equals 2x plus 1 over x plus 2. And then you cross multiply. So we get 10x plus 20 equals 2x plus 1. So what is this? 8x equals negative 19. X equals negative 19 eighths. And then we need to check to see if this is in the domain, see if this works. We can always check the domain at the beginning of the problem. When you have a log, the argument, the stuff inside the log has to be greater than 0. Can't be equal to 0, it has to be greater than 0. So if I plugged in negative 19 eighths into x plus 2, that's going to give me a negative. So what does that mean? That means there's no solution to this problem because the solution that we did get doesn't work, which means it's extraneous, and that means we have no solution to this problem. All these 4 problems here are completed in much the same way. You need to make sure you check the domain before you start the problem, or at the end.